composition of tea. Also, we will compare the different brands of green and black tea, and we will, moreover, will compare the composition of green and black tea. Tea is one of the most ancient drinks that have been pleasing people by several millennia. We drink it every day to quench our thirst, but we don't know what our body gets at the same time. Imperator Chan Nung created the tea by accident. The event took place over 2,700 before our century, when an imperator tired after a hard day and decided the heat was on fire. And suddenly the leaves from a tree fell in this hot water, and the imperator considered that the resulting poison could be drunk. The new drink turned out to be tasty and nutritious. After that, now let's talk about the composition of tea. The composition of tea is very diverse and complex, and tea contains catechins, tannin, caffeine, essential oils, and vitamins. So now I want to start with the catechins. Catechins are a group of phenol compounds, and they reduce the level of cholesterol in blood, destroy the free radicals, thus preventing the development of cancer. Next is tannin. Tannin is an amino acid that counteracts caffeine and giving a calming effect. Also, tannin gives tea pleasant astringency. So, the purpose of my project is conduct a qualitative reaction that combines the chemical composition of tea. And the first, our qualitative reaction is the reaction to caffeine. The qualitative reaction to caffeine is a reaction with nitric acid. I took some black tea and green tea, added some nitric acid, and heated up. So, but what the difference is between these two reactions? With the reaction with the black tea, leaves became yellow and the evaporation was invisible. But in the reaction with green tea, the leaves became orange and the evaporation was yellow. This indicates that black tea contains more caffeine than green tea. Our next qualitative reaction is a qualitative reaction to tannin. I poured green and black tea into two test tubes. Then I added a very chloride 3. And as you can see on the screen, the green tea darkens more than black tea. This indicates that green tea contains more tannin than black tea. Our next reaction is reaction to synthetic dyes. The qualitative reaction to synthetic dyes, it's a reaction with lemon acid. I poured some lemon acid into these test tubes, and as you can see on the second picture, the tea became more white. And Lipton, after the adding of citric acid, the tea became very discolored and it's very bad. So PLI, the change is light. Akbar has become very discolored and has a bright yellow color. And it says staining bright orange in Greenfield, there are minor changes. So, Lipton and says these two brands of tea contains a lot of synthetic dyes. So, this reaction is the reaction with, it's a qualitative reaction to vitamin B. Lipton PLI varieties in Greenfield. Lipton has got a gray coloring, PLI is light gray coloration, Akbar dark yellow coloration, it says dark yellow coloration, and Greenfield light brown coloration. And it's confirmed that Akbar and Greenfield contains more vitamin B than another brands of green tea. What I want to say in conclusion. So thank you very much for your attention, but today we learn more about tea, about the composition of tea. We conduct the qualitative reaction that confine the chemical composition of tea. And we learned more about the drink that we drink every day. So thank you for your attention. Do you have any questions?
Why did you choose this topic for the project?
So I chose this topic for the project because tea is one of the most popular drinks that we drink every day, but we don't know what our body gets at the same time.
Thank you. Where else is tannin used?
So tannin is used in medicine and in production. So it's like in medicine. It feels like medicine.
Why did you decide to compare these brands of tea?
So I decided to actually use brand of tea because it's one of the most popular brands of tea that we use every day, that we drink every day.
Is it possible to conduct this experience at home? And can you tell us about easy experience that you can try?
Yes, it was the easiest experiment that you can do at home or maybe in a Chinese laboratory. But in my opinion, the most easiest experiment was experiment to synthetic dyes, and you need only lemon extract or lemon.
I have a question. Which tea is healthy, green or black?
So, as you can see in my presentation, I think that green tea is more healthy because there are lots of contains zinc and less contains of coffee.
Okay, I have one question. How many amino acids are present in tea?
So there are more than 20 amino acids in tea, but there are also differences between green and black tea. In green tea, there are 20 amino acids, and 60% of them are contained on tannin. But in black tea, there are 17 amino acids, and only 30% of them are contained of tannin.
Yes.